Good morning, viewers. Welcome back to our channel. I am Raju Upadhyay from CIMAGE College, Patna, Department of IT. Today, I am going to discuss how to create a hyperlink to our web page. So we can create a hyperlink using the text as well as using the image. So we can make our text as a hyperlink, or we can use the image as a hyperlink. So without delaying any further, I'll be taking to my demo screen. So let's say this is my small worksheet in which I have mentioned one image I have for the Microsoft and another text we have for the Google. So for this particular text Google, I have to create a hyperlink and this will take to the Google page. So what you can do is just by typing the Google, just by clicking here, nothing is happening at this moment because it is not hyperlinked so far. So what I'll do is I'll select this particular text and we can go for a hyperlink option. So first of all, I wanted to tell you, there are many ways by which you can create a hyperlink. So that there are three different ways by which you can create a hyperlink. The first shortcut is just by pressing the Control K. If I press the Control K, I'm getting this particular insert hyperlink window in which we are having existing file or web page option. Then we have place in this document, create new document or email address. So obviously we are going to insert a hyperlink to a particular web page. So this is the one of the option. Another option is you can click on insert tab on the menu bar, and within insert tab here you are getting hyperlink, right? So just by clicking on this particular hyperlink, you'll get the same window. There is a third way of inserting hyperlink is you can do the just right click on that particular text, and at the very last option you get the hyperlink. So this is your wish, whether you are going through the shortcut, whether you are going through the insert tab, or whether you are going through this right click and then hyperlink. So let's say I'm selecting this one, hyperlink. The moment you select it, click it, and you get this option. So obviously I wanted to connect to google.com. So here we have to specify the website URL. URL stand for Uniform Resource Locator. So here I can say http colon / followed by google.com or co.in, whatever you want. Or you can say http colon / http colon / www.google.com, and then simply you can click on OK. Once you click on OK, you get this particular Google link. So let me maximize a little bit so it will be visible to you very clearly. So the moment I click on this link, it is taking me to the Google site. So you are able to see your Google site has been opened and they can do some sort of browsing work over here. Now, if you wanted to modify this particular hyperlink, so what I can do is we can do the right click and we can go for edit hyperlink and we can change the hyperlink over there. So if you want to change any other address or any particular specific web page of Google, you can mention over there. If you want to remove this hyperlink, you can remove from here. If I click on remove, that particular link is no more hyperlink. So again, I wanted to get it back. I do the right click. I'll go for insert hyperlink. And here again, I'll type http colon and this google.com has come. Now we will understand how to make this particular picture as a hyper image. Clear, that was a hypertext. Now this is going to be hyper image. Very simple. You select this particular picture and go for a shortcut that is called Control K, which already I mentioned, And here I can mention URL http://www.microsoft.com. Right. And then I say OK. Now, this particular image is going to be worked as hyper image. But make sure at this moment, if I click, nothing will happen. So once you have to click outside this particular image, and then you have to come back to this image. So you are getting this particular handshake. Now, if you click on this particular image, you'll see Microsoft official web page is getting open in front of you. Now, one more thing. If you wanted to, let's see, you can experience one thing. The moment you touch this particular pic, you are getting out here at the bottom http://www.microsoft.com. So you don't want to reveal this particular link to users. So you wanted to remove this particular link, or instead of that, you wanted to write something else. So what you can do is just you can do the right click on this particular link and go for edit hyperlink. And within edit hyperlink, here we have the screen tip. So that was called screen tip. You can click on this, and here screen tip text we are getting. So here I can say something called Microsoft, because everybody knows that is the Microsoft website. So I can say Microsoft website, and I say OK. Now, instead of getting that screen tip, now if you touch this particular image, so instead of getting a proper URL, you are getting Microsoft website. So this way you can do all sort of modification, addition, removal of the link. Now, again, if you want to remove this particular link behind this, so you can do the right click and you can say remove hyperlink. So now this particular text is there, this particular image is no more acting as hyper image. That's all for the day, viewers. I hope you must have understood how to create a hyperlink inside your Excel web page. So as per the need, as per the requirement, we can make any text connected to a particular web page or website, or similar way, you can associate your images to a particular web page or particular website. So that's all for the day. Hope you must have understood this concept very well. So I'll be coming with another video tomorrow. Till then, keep watching, keep revising my all previous videos, and just you can click on, if you like the video, you can click on like button, as well as you can put your valuable comment in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching again.